Hi everyone, this video is meant to help Android users set up the appropriate apps for use with their meter. If you ordered an Android tablet with your device, these applications are already installed. Feel free to skip to the next video to get started using your meter. First, we'll install our data management app. If you're a BFA member, the Bionutrient app is the white label version of our app that you should install. It houses all Bionutrient Institute surveys, such as the Nutrient Density Estimate Survey. This is a progressive web app that you can save to your home screen or use in Google Chrome. Go to bionutrient.surveystack.io and create an account. If you'd like to save the app to your home screen, click these three dots and install the app. If you are not a BFA member, you should install the SurveyStack Progressive Web app instead. It allows you to join different groups to access specific surveys or to create your own surveys. You can access the app at surveystack.io. For meter users, you'll also need to install a separate app to connect to the device called SurveyStack Kit. To install the app, go to the Google Play Store and search SurveyStack Kit by Our-Sci LLC. Install it. Please note, you'll never use this app independently of SurveyStack or the Bionutrient app. When you're running a measurement for a survey, this app will automatically deploy and allow you to connect to your meter and run a measurement. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to use your meter, go to the next video and learn how.